Videos are for educational purposes only.
Influencers Unplugged. Chapter 1. The reigning influencer, Lila Montgomery, is the reigning queen of Pacific Heights High, known for her impeccable fashion sense and huge social media following. Her best friend, Veronica Price, is always by her side, and together, they dominate the school's social scene and the online world. Chapter 2. The Tech Geek returns. Lila's perfectly curated life is disrupted when her former stepbrother, Max Collins, returns from college. Max is a tech enthusiast who has developed a groundbreaking app that gamifies environmental activism. His presence and new ideas challenge Lila's traditional influencer lifestyle, sparking both irritation and curiosity in her. Chapter 3. The Social Media Makeover. Determined to maintain her status, Lila takes under her wing a shy and introverted new student, Mia Thornton. Lila sees Mia as the perfect candidate for a social media makeover. With Lila's guidance, Mia's online presence skyrockets and she quickly becomes the new it girl at Pacific Heights High, much to Lila's initial satisfaction and eventual discomfort. Chapter 4. Augmented Reality Adventures. Max introduces Lila to the world of augmented reality AR, showing her how AR can be used for immersive experiences that educate and inspire. He demonstrates an AR project he's working on that highlights the impact of plastic pollution on marine life. This project challenges Lila to think beyond her usual fashion and beauty content. Chapter 5. The Environmental Challenge. Inspired by Max's project, Lila decides to leverage her social media influence for a greater cause. She launches a campaign to raise awareness about plastic pollution, integrating AR experiences to engage her audience. Lila, Veronica, and Mia host a major AR event at school where students can virtually witness the effects of pollution on the ocean. The event is a resounding success, and Lila starts to see the power of using technology for social good. Chapter 6. New Perspectives. As Lila dives deeper into her environmental campaign, she begins to view Max in a different light. Their collaboration leads to a deeper connection, and Lila starts to question her previous focus on superficial popularity. She realizes that true influence comes from making a real impact and fostering genuine relationships. Chapter 7. A New Kind of Influence. Lila's transformation is complete as she balances her social media presence with meaningful activism. She becomes a role model for her peers, showing that one can be stylish, popular, and socially responsible all at once. Mia, now a confident and independent young woman, fully supports Lila's new direction, and their friendship flourishes. Lila and Max's relationship also blossoms, built on mutual respect and shared values. Chapter 8. A Connected Future. Lila, Veronica, and Mia continue to use their platforms to advocate for important causes, inspiring others to do the same. Lila's journey from a superficial influencer to a socially conscious leader sets a new standard at Pacific Heights High, where popularity is defined not by appearances, but by the positive change one can bring to the world.
One time you tell me one time, we know how to bring it back, baby. You see why this is my pride, baby. When you wake up in the front, baby, me the love, me and don't take it back now. But you want it, you want that to walk the journey, I'm in a put it back. Tell me right around, take it my way. So tell me what you need from me, we know what you need to me, but I'm down in the game now. No, I'm down in the game now. Say, tell me what you need from me, we know what you need to me, but I'm down in the game now. I'm down in the game now. Tell me what you need from me, we know what you need to me, but I'm down in the game now.
Tutorial while we dived into some intriguing true crime stories. If you enjoyed this blend of beauty and mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our unique content. Share your nail art results and favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.
Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client. Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary, nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.